Hello, for this tutorial I wanted to show you Diffin.com. Now what Diffin.com does is takes two items and it compares and contrasts them, lists their similarities and the differences. For academic purposes, I could see this being used in history, especially English, science, and a couple other subjects. I was introduced to this by my host teacher who was teaching an American history class, and what he had the students do was type in two ideas, communism and fascism, so they could see where they were similar and they were different. Now, it's not only limited to academic material. As you can see right here, you can do things simple like Common Cold versus the flu, Xbox Ones versus PS4, Visa versus Mastercard, carpet versus laminate floor. The possibilities are endless. I saw the kids in the classroom; they were comparing anything and everything. But for our purposes, I thought one thing we could do is the American Revolution versus the French Revolution. This is a project that the students do in their sophomore year in world history, where they usually have an essay that they compare the two revolutions to each other and see where they were different. So what this does is it generates a list of facts and similarities between the two items that we get, namely the French Revolution and our Revolution. What's cool about this is it's quick, it's easy, and it gives some depth to the Venn diagrams or graphic organizers that we provide our students with. Now, outside of history, I mean, we could do anything as common as apples and oranges because, it's the cliche when we compare things. So let's see what that says. Now, it'll generate this, and they're both fruits, but apples are usually sweet, and oranges are usually citrus. Now, it'll give you all the scientific facts to it and everything that goes into it. I like this because it's quick, and I think the students will enjoy the technology aspect of it rather than digging through a textbook for similarities and differences all the time. So it gives them a little new look at what they can be doing. Thank you.